Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic TypeScript. So let's get started. What happens when two interface declarations are defined with the same name and the same scope in TypeScript? The correct answer is option A. They are merged into a single declaration. Which operator was introduced in TypeScript 4.9 to validate that an expression matches a type without losing the inferred specific type? The correct answer is option B, satisfies. How do you define a type that allows strings only if they start with V followed by a number? The correct answer is option C, type version equals $number. In conditional types, which keyword is used to declare a type variable that is inferred from the true branch? The correct answer is option D, infer. Which keyword ensures that a subclass method is intended to replace a method from the base class, preventing accidental naming mismatches? The correct answer is option A, override. What is the primary difference between TypeScript's private modifier and ECMAScript's #private fields? The correct answer is option B. Private is only enforced during compile time, while hashtag is enforced at runtime. What is the result of applying as const to an object literal? The correct answer is option C. It marks all properties as read-only and narrows literal types. Which utility type is used to construct a type by excluding from union type all union members that are assignable to excluded members? The correct answer is option D, exclude. Which file extension is typically used for TypeScript declaration files that contain only type information and no implementation? The correct answer is option A, d.ts. Why is unknown preferred over any four values of an undetermined type? The correct answer is option B. Unknown forces the developer to perform type checking or casting before use. Which utility type removes null and undefined from a given type? The correct answer is option C, non-nullable. Which of the following is the correct syntax for a recursive type representing a JSON-like structure? The correct answer is option D. All of the above are valid ways to define recursive types depending on structure. If you have a variable const colors equals red, #FF0000, blue, #0000FF, how do you create a type representing the keys of this object? The correct answer is option A. Type color keys equals keyoff typeoff colors. In a discriminated union, what is the discriminate? The correct answer is option B. A common property with a literal type used to distinguish between members. What is the return type of a function that acts as a type guard? The correct answer is option C. Parameter name is type. Which of the following prevents an array from being modified, e.g., push, pop, at the type level? The correct answer is option D. Const arr, string as const. Which utility type extracts the types of arguments expected by a class constructor? The correct answer is option A, constructor parameters T. Which utility type unwraps a promise type to get the resolved value type? The correct answer is option B, awaited T. To use decorators in TypeScript, which compiler option must be enabled in sconfig.json? The correct answer is option C, experimental decorators. Which module resolution setting is recommended for modern Node.js projects using ESM? The correct answer is option D, Node Next. What is true about an abstract class in TypeScript? The correct answer is option A. It cannot be instantiated directly. How do you define an object type that can have any number of string keys with Boolean values? The correct answer is option B. Type myObj equals key, string, Boolean. Which utility type extracts the parameter types of a function type t as a tuple? The correct answer is option C, parameters t. What does the NoInfer intrinsic type, introduced in TS 5.4, do? The correct answer is option D. It prevents a generic type from being used as an inference candidate. Which utility type creates a type with a set of properties k of type t? The correct answer is option A, record kt. Which utility type extracts the instance type of a class constructor function? The correct answer is option B, instance type t. Which marker is used to indicate the type of this inside an object literal or function for contextual typing? The correct answer is option C, this type t. Which utility type makes all properties of an object required, even if they were originally optional? The correct answer is option D, required t. What is the result of the intersection type string and number? The correct answer is option A, never. Which config option prevents accessing properties using index access, obj, prop, if they aren't explicitly defined in the type? The correct answer is option B, no property access from index signature. Thank you for watching.